Well, hello! Kumusta? Mabuhay, magandang gabi, and maligayang pagbabalik sa akin channel. Ako po si Ovela. I am your host, Ovela, and I don't know if you guys remember this lady, Antonetthe Tismo. Antoinette with an H. It's weird to me, but yeah, there is an H before the E at the end, alright? Antonetthe Tismo, alright? I've reacted to her. You know, she was a contestant on Tawag ng Tanghalan, and I really liked her. I really did. And I remember saying in probably my second video that I did not like the fact that she was eliminated, because she was, you know, and I said that it would be great if she came back for a rēÄakSH, you know, a second chance to, you know, the second chance. And she did! Yes! She came back for the rēÄakSH, second chance, and she performed Mariah Carey's Through the Rain. And we will discover this video together. We will see if she's gonna nail it, if it's worthy enough for her to remain in the competition. I don't know. We will see. But before we start, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Music Game News, because that is where you can DM me your suggestions. And this video was suggested to me on Instagram. Yes, people told me, hey man, remember Antonetthe Tismo, the girl you reacted to and thought she should come back? Well, she is back, so you have to react to it. Oh, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Let's get to it. That was my favorite performance of hers. She nailed it. Oh yeah, before I forget, the usual disclaimer. This is ABS-CBN, so I'm gonna have to reduce the opacity of the video to avoid copyright. I may even have to edit out some parts because it's a Mariah Carey song, a very popular Mariah Carey song. So, you know.
Hawak ko na ang golden microphone noon. At bawat performance,
she's so cute.
palakas ang loob ko na makasungkit
I like
din
that
ang
dress.
pwesto sa quarterfinals. Ngunit sa isang iglap, parang nabaliwala ulit lahat ng aking pagsisikap. Laking tuwa ko ng marami.
Okay, I'm gonna fast forward to the performance. Here we go. Sorry, I don't understand what she's saying, so... There you go. rēÄakSH. rēÄakSH. Oh, I like the fact that they are representing the rain behind her, you know, with those kind of like lines, white lines.
When you're destroyed.
What? When you keep crying out. She didn't say crying out. She said, when you keep crying out. What?
When you keep
I heard kana. Kana. When you keep kana. That's not crying out.
to be sad, and nobody comes, and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone. It's okay.
And I think I've mentioned this, but I feel like they have made the name tags even bigger now. And it's kind of a hazard, man. I mean, look how big it is. I feel like if she does this, she's gonna injure her arm because of this huge name tag. I don't know how solid it is, how hard it is, but man, come on. Why does it need to be that big?
What you say is, I can make it through the
didn't see you there. Well, now that you're here, why don't you celebrate for making it this far into this video by subscribing to the channel, by turning on that notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and of course, and the most important thing, to like this video because it does help out the channel tremendously. And now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna go back to my business. So far, so good. She is not surprising me though. I need some surprises. Also, you know, there are two songs. There is Through the Rain and Through the Fire, you know, kind of opposite. Do you have a favorite? Through the Rain or Through the Fire? Personally, I prefer Through the Fire, but I like Through the Rain, but I prefer Through the Fire.
And sure they tell you.
And funnily enough, those are two songs that Filipinos love to sing.
You'll never pull through. Don't hesitate.
Okay.
Stand tall and say
Amazing! That was incredible! I honestly thought she was gonna go up to the higher notes sooner because I didn't think she had enough breath, you know, to keep going like that. Wow! Very impressive, and it didn't feel like she was struggling either.
I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know that
Did you hear the vibrato? I wish she had added a little bit of a growl there because she sounded upset, you know. But that was beautiful vibrato, so I'm good. I'm good.
on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith. And I live one more day. And I'll make it through the rain. I can make it through the rain.
Did you notice how she tried to convey the run that she did with her by mimicking it with her hand? It's not perfect, but it's still damn impressive what she's able to do here.
I can make it through the rain. Instead of walls,
Wow. Wow.
I can make it through the rain.
You tell him, girl.
I'm gonna make it through the rain.
Yan ang ating resbacker na si Antonetthe Tismo.
That was impressive. I still like her. I still like her very much. So I think this song is a big song, you know, to to sing, especially for a competition like this, and especially for a Rizback. You know, you're taking massive chances. You know, like there are so many parts where you can fail, and yet, like, look, it wasn't perfect, but I still really enjoyed it. Like, there were some highlights, some parts where I'm like, holy moly, I can't believe she was able to sing those parts that well. Like, I feel like the most important parts of this song, she nailed. You know what I mean? And look, I know that not everybody can win, which is unfortunate, especially in the Philippines, because there are so many Filipinos that can actually be winners, you know, and move on and be on, you know, the roster of ABS-CBN or GMA network. But unfortunately, not everybody can win. I think she has earned a spot, you know, in this show. And I wish, like, I could easily see her one of the either ABS-CBN singers or GMA singers, you know, like on All Out Sunday, one of the queens or divas, you know, easily. She fits the mold because she's like super cute, super pretty, and she has this big, powerful voice. I don't know. I'm actually glad I'm not one of the judges or one of the panelists because these choices are not freaking easy. I mean, I could maybe have a better idea if I knew all the contestants, but I don't, so I don't know. Now it is your turn to tell me in the comment section below your thoughts on this performance. Do you think she did well enough to regain a spot, you know, on the show or not? You know, I don't know. Is she still on the show? Like, was this enough? I don't know. I don't know what happened after this performance, so don't hesitate to tell me. Today, it was like a Mariah Carey type of day because not only did Antonetthe Tismo sing a Mariah Carey song, but I also reacted to Filipino singers attempting the climax of Mariah Carey's song Butterfly. Okay, so I'm gonna release both of those videos today and I hope you enjoy both of them. Maraming salamat po as usual. Take care of yourselves. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe here and please like the video to show your support and appreciation for my work and turn on the notification bell to be poked for future content. Yeah.